Workflow at a standstill because of the iTextSharp.xml Worker DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've mapped out the solution to fix IText Group conflict for good. Ensure your iTextSharp.xml Worker environment is stable by using the recommended tool linked below. This is the iTextSharp.xml Worker, an extension for the iTextSharp library that manages the conversion of HTML and CSS into PDF documents. It is a mandatory requirement for automated billing tools. If missing, the app will crash, citing an assembly load failure, iTextSharp.xmlworker, preventing any PDF generation from web content. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. Missing iTextSharp.xml Worker DLL data often points to a failed patch within the IText Group integration, and reinstalling the latest version of the program where you saw the error will automatically replace the corrupted library. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including iTextSharp.xml Worker, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it, or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If the software remains unresponsive after the reboot, we'll transition to manual environment synchronization. Feel free to pause the video during the sync process. If you're still seeing performance alerts post-reboot, it's time to rebuild the diagnostic registration entries. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, the issue is typically found in the registry registration rather than the file itself. This rebuild command clears out legacy performance data and reestablishes a clean connection to the OS monitoring tools. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. Safety first, never attempt to replace iTextSharp.xml Worker DLL with files found on random download portals. These sites lack quality control and often distribute files that are incompatible with modern Windows updates. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. The link in the description references a professional diagnostic scan resource associated with iTextSharp.xml Worker and PC Health. I hope this walkthrough provided the clarity you needed to fix iTextSharp.xml Worker. Please like the video to support the channel and subscribe for more system-level tutorials.